What's up, everybody? I'm back, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for my very first Kickstarter project, a Sound of Thunder Parallel Eternity unboxing. Hey, thank you guys for coming by and checking out this video. We're going to be doing my very first Kickstarter unboxing. As you can see in the background, I am working on the thumbnail for the YouTube thingamabob. But anyways, Kickstarter projects. My very first one is for this heavy metal band, A Sound of Thunder. It's their 10th anniversary celebration Kickstarter project. And what really attracted me to this project is I am a Valiant Comics fan. I enjoy Bloodshot, Rye, and all the good stuff that Valiant's been putting out, publishing. Bloodshot movie was, but you know what, I still enjoyed it. There's going to be a couple of Valiant variants in here exclusive to this Kickstarter project for Rye, issue 1, and it just sounded too good, you know. I get to get some heavy metal stuff because I enjoy heavy metal music, and I enjoy Rye from Valiant Universe. But anyways, package came in today, and it's been delayed for almost 2 years, just due to just printing issues and delays and stuff, and then COVID happened, which pushed the project even further back. It was supposed to be released in February and shipped out of 2019, I believe. Yeah, and then we know what happened after that. 2020 was a motherfucker. But anyways, yeah, got delayed. Finally got it today, and I am really stoked out to see what we have in here. I forgot exactly what else comes with it. I know we're gonna have a vinyl. I don't have a record player, but I might just put it inside of a little shadow box to display it, because back there, that's the actual cover art for the vinyl and the album itself. So you know what? Let's get right to it, guys. All right, here we go. We got the package itself. Came in a nice little cardboard box right here, and wrapped up in this black plastic. So let's get right into it. I'm just gonna cut it alongside. Ooh, I can already see that there's art printed on the box itself. It's gonna be really sweet. So, and maybe through the power of editing, I'll speed this part up. All right, this is the back of the box right here. Look at that guy. Oh yeah, and I remember that the variant for Rye is supposed to pay homage to Iron Maiden. So if you guys are Iron Maiden fans, you're gonna recognize the cover, which I think this is it. And then we got the front of the box right here. Sound of Thunder, Parallel Eternity. All right, cool. Okay, we got it sealed right here with some tape. Okay, is there any other spots taped up? No. All right, really excited to see what we got in here. So let's pull this up. Oh, far out. So right, first thing we get, oh man, we got that crazy packing material. First thing we get is, ooh, of course they didn't do that. The t-shirt. Oh, they made it 2XL. Did I ask for 2XL? Maybe I did. I'm getting fatter. 2XL t-shirt, and then on the back we have the logo of the band and the 10th anniversary. All right, cool. As you can see, 2020 was supposed to come out last year. All right, sweet, awesome. Can't wait to wear that, man. All right, next up, we got the 2-disc set of the album right here. Sorry for the glare. Pretty cool. Dope. And now this thing right here. So this is like a I don't know, like a documentation of like recording the events of recording the album. And it looks like we get some swag in here. We get a sticker. We got a photo of the band, all signed, and looks like they all signed the book as well. Missing the signature, I think. Well, yeah, we got a signed picture, anything on the back of it, some information in this book. And it's just photos of the band touring the early days. Nina, the singer. And if I remember correctly, I think it's in this, or it might be on the actual CD. But for the tier level that I purchased, I get credited as a producer or a backer or whatever on that stuff. So have my name on credits would be pretty cool. So very dope right there. Some signed stuff. Sweet. Ooh. Now it's what we're looking for right here. All right. All right, so we got the comics right here. So we got Rye, issue number 1 is Sound of Thunder. And it looks like we got signatures from the band as well. So we got the trade dress. Sorry about that. Sorry about the glare. And we got the old school Rye logo from back in the day. The old school Valiant stamp right there. And then, oh, I just noticed on the background's the band right here on the background of the picture. That is pretty awesome. I like that. Move those off to the side. And let's see if I can get this. Oh, this crappy, flaky stuff. Sure there's nothing else in there. And then we got the actual vinyl itself right here. And signed as well. That is awesome. And then the back right here. Pretty dope. Now there should be something else in here. It's supposed to be an art print. Art print of the comics right here. That's pretty sweet. Nice, I like that a lot. And we got a little record pad. Oh wait, there's something else in here. And then we got another little Rye vinyl thingamabob. I don't know what this is. Is this an actual record or is it a sticker? I don't know. Anyone know? Let me know, because I am dumb when it comes to vinyls and all that stuff. But that's pretty cool right there. And a see-through vinyl. I have never seen that before. Let's see, where is the opening right here? Yeah, look at that thing is see-through. How dope is that? Sweet. Alright. It looks like, yeah, it comes with 2 of them. Then the case itself. And the case is empty, so I'll just slide those right in here when I'm done. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Yeah, there you have it. Kickstarter projects. Well, there's all the stuff right here all laid out. And I also noticed that on the back of this variant, we have a bonus CD. And I remember that this is supposed to be the theme for Rye to the comic book series, which is awesome. So I actually did a little bit ago back another project, Mark Silvestri, Darkness, Top Cow project. I love the Darkness. But that's going to be another video. But this is freaking awesome. I want to thank the band for putting a project like this together for people who enjoy heavy metal and comic book fans. 2 of my favorite things in the world, metal and comics, and this band took time and effort to get this out to us, and they were very consistent with updates. They always kept us in the loop. They didn't just abandon us and then post every couple months. They were active, engaging, and letting us all know the status of the project. And I am very, very happy with what I got. Got vinyl signed by the band, pictures signed, cool stuff, cool prints, cool comic books. I just love it. This is great. And then want to thank the band, Sound of Thunder, for doing it. Awesome. More people should follow their lead. Well, yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment. And follow me on Instagram. I changed my handle to just Comic Big Chris. I took out the 5280 because there's a certain podcaster who couldn't really pronounce my name. You know who you are, bro. But yeah, that's it. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.